In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit navigation bar on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to manage which pages show in your menu and how to adjust the look and features of your site's header so it matches your brand. Start by opening your site and clicking Website, then click Pages. This is your hub for organizing everything visitors can access. On this screen, look for the section labeled Main Navigation. The pages you see listed under Main Navigation are the ones that appear in your navigation bar across the top of your site. If you want a page to show up in the menu, add it here. If you want to hide a page from the navigation bar, remove it from this section. Think of Main Navigation as the public-facing menu area. Adding or removing pages here directly controls what your visitors see in the header. Now, to change how the navigation bar looks and what it includes, click Edit on your site and then select Edit Site Header. This opens the header controls where you'll fine-tune both the content and the style of your navigation. Inside the header editor, choose Add Elements to enable or disable built-in options. You can turn on items like the shopping cart if you're selling products, a login option for members or customers, a prominent button for a key action, and social links so visitors can jump to your profiles. Toggle on only what supports your goals, and keep it simple so the menu stays clean and easy to use. As you switch elements on or off, watch the live preview to see exactly how they appear in your header. Next, click Edit Design to shape the overall appearance. Here you can adjust the layout to determine how your logo, menu items, and any added elements are arranged. Use spacing controls to give your links breathing room and keep the header readable. Then update color settings so the navigation contrasts well with your background and aligns with your brand palette. Small changes here, like refining link colors or adjusting the header background, can make your site feel polished and consistent. As you work, keep an eye on how the header looks across your pages. The goal is a clear, streamlined menu that highlights your most important pages and reinforces your visual identity. And there you go. Click Website, go to Pages to add or remove items under Main Navigation, then Edit and Edit Site Header to add elements, and Edit Design for layout, spacing, and color. That's all.